The long sky sharp blade twin cabin dome. The J20S is China's latest generation of medium to long-range aircraft, developed by improving on the J20 Heavy multi-role two-seat stealth fighter. It is also the world's first two-seat fifth-generation fighter jet. In terms of exterior design, the J20S continues the smooth curved body of the J20 with a unique jet top arched nose. Later, it features a fusion layout and a fully functional vertical tail. The cabin adopts a tandem two-seat layout. The front seat driver focuses on flight control. The rear passengers focused on handling the situation, weapon system operation, electronic warfare response, battlefield situation analysis, as well as command and control work for medium-range Liaoji. At the same time, to balance the two-seat layout that brings about a shift in center of gravity, the Dash-20S made subtle adjustments to the nose and fuselage. In terms of dynamic layout, the Dash-20S DSI intake bone pack uses an intelligent craftsmanship alloy frame. Flexible, wave-absorbing skin. The inlet bone pack can automatically adjust its shape according to flight speed and altitude during low-speed takeoffs and landings or sonic cruises. Osteocapsule dilation to increase intake volume. During supersonic cruises, bone capsule contraction creates a shock wave compression effect. This reduces resistance and increases engine thrust. This design is achieved through internal sensors, real-time monitoring of airflow parameters to achieve deformation. In addition, also serves as the junction area between the leading edge gold wing and the main wing of the 20S. It also uses conductive, flexible skin covering. This skin is made from a composite of elastic rubber membranes and high elasticity fibers. During flight, the main wing undergoes subtle deformation. The flexible skin closely fits the wing surface variations. This reduces airflow separation, improves surge ratio and mobility response efficiency. The flexible skin can withstand high-speed airflow impacts. It also maintains surface conductivity continuity even when the control surface is frequently deflected. When the wings deflect, the skin achieves adaptive deformation through a honeycomb structure and precision motors. Completely eliminates the gaps found in traditional mechanical corner chains. Reduces the forward radar reflector cross-section machine to less than 0.01 square meters. Among fifth-generation fighters, its stealth performance is second only to China's J-35. This technology draws on the design philosophy of the sixth-generation fighter. On the avionics system, the J-20S is equipped with a second-generation distributed aperture system and the Ely Tactic clip-linked phased array radar with a detection range of up to 450 kilometers. It enables 360-degree all-round situational awareness, precisely detecting and simultaneously tracking dozens of aerial targets. The rear cabin pilot uses the HMD and holographic tactical screen. It can integrate real-time data from satellites, early warning aircraft, drones, and other diverse data. Rapidly build dynamic battlefield situation maps. In terms of combat performance, the 20S can carry 2 Thunderbolt dogfight air-to-air missiles and 4 PL-15 long-range air-to-air missiles. Rear seat pilots combine high-speed data links with AI-assisted systems. It can control multiple stealth drones, such as Attack 11 and Feihong 97A in real time. This forms the combat system of the 1+N. The drone serves as a medium-range Liaoning aircraft. This provides more comprehensive information support for the J-20S. Enhanced detection range and electronic jamming. Additionally, the medium-range Liaoning aircraft can serve as an additional platform for launching weapons. Achieve multi-dimensional strikes on land, air, and sea. In fact, it is the concept of manned aircraft carrying medium-range Liaoning aircraft in coordinated combat. As early as 2015, the U.S. had already proposed this. Today, China's J-20S has not only entered mass service, and at the 80th anniversary of the victory in the Ballistic Resistance 93rd Military Parade, formed formations with J-20, J-20A, J-35A, and J-16D, flying over Tiananmen Square with thunderous force. Meanwhile, the complete American PPT has yet to be produced.